Welcome to DevOps Provide bus ticket booking portal. Okay, let's open. So when you try to open the portal, you will find a source and destination. When you try to hit the search button, so it will be hit at the backend function. Okay, let's see architecture. Okay, so this is the architecture. Okay, you can observe. So where our frontend will be deployed in static web app and our backend will be deployed in Azure Functions, where we have multiple functions. We have slash book, slash hold, slash search, slash cancel. Okay, so these will be process the data, and currently I'm using the local DB only. So where it will be fetching the existing data of your travel details. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, so you can see here. So this is the DB. So these will be process your data. Okay, so that means these will be able to show what are the travels on specific date and the source and destination, how it will be processing. Okay, yeah, back to our architecture. Okay, this is the architecture. So where backend where DB will be stored in a separate folder. So it will be process the data and it will be reflect to the front end. So that will be processed by Azure Functions. Okay. So these functions will be stored in the Azure Storage account. Okay. So we have a Azure pipelines that will provision infra pipeline, and we have CI/CD pipeline. So that will build and deploy your um, applications. Okay, in the front end and in the back end. Okay, let's see here the code. This is the backend. This is the function where we have written the all the details. This is the search function. This is the hold function. So this is the book function. Okay. So in the detail explanation I will explain in the upcoming architecture, full architecture. Okay, slide. Okay. Yeah, this is the backend. This is the DB. So where all the travel details, source and destination and time will be update here. Okay. So if you have original DB, you can integrate original DB in the backend itself, in the local section. Okay. Yeah. So this is the DB. When come to front end, will be developing with the help of React.js, and we have, yeah, this is the same. So I have created two different folders. Okay, after that I moved there. So this is the IIC folder where you can create the Azure functions and storage account and static web apps. Okay, so this is the that related code. Yeah, this is all about this application. Let's build and deploy this application. So main intention of this project is how to utilize the Azure functions. Okay, so these Azure functions will be triggering based upon uh, HTTP trigger. Okay, so when it will try to hit the slash book, so that then the function will be triggering. Okay, so most probably these Azure functions will be worked with data engineers. Okay, let's see how to build and deploy this application.